righteousness. Remember the Bible says, the Bible says the curtain in the temple was torn in two, meaning we had access now into the very presence of God. Something that we never had before was when this body was broken, so whenever we take communion, we have to know which and none of us food continue. Do this in remembrance of me, meaning he gives us a right to say, whenever you want to remember me, partake. Are you together? Why? Because